Manufacturers make and deliver a diverse array of materials and products. The key to success is having the proper material supply, production, inventory, and quality needed to meet customer demand. Because of shifting supply, unstable demand, and varying customer requirements, today's manufacturers face significant challenges, like inability to effectively schedule and track production jobs in real time, getting control of waste to eliminate low yield and added cost, unplanned downtime that interrupts operations and increases cost, unpredictable inventory due to supplier sourcing and production-related issues, maintaining consistently excellent product quality, cost-effectively resolving customer complaints. Manufacturers seek to optimize operational efficiency and effectiveness through a smoother supply chain, better production scheduling, lower downtime, higher quality, and accurate on-hand inventory that customers need. To do this, modern and leading manufacturing companies rely on advanced manufacturing execution systems to get ahead of uncertainty, improve OEE and quality, lower the cost of production, and profitability lead in their markets and with their customers. Industrial companies rely on PCG to solve complex manufacturing challenges and resolve issues that hinder optimized operational ability and performance. Customers that use PCG's MES solutions have a fully integrated manufacturing environment, visibility and transparency across their entire operation from order to fulfillment, right-sized inventory to meet demand without overinvesting, fewer unplanned downtime events, and lower overall MRO expense, real-time oversight of tooling availability, sourcing, production, inventory, scrap rework, quality, and finished goods, comprehensive product and inventory lot, serializing, tracking, and tracing, easy, seamless, line-side label printing, inline operational documentation for operators when they need it, SPC monitoring for real-time corrective actions, the ability to see issues before they become problems, improved customer fulfillment, satisfaction, and overall experiences. What challenges keep you from having the power to build more predictably, effectively, flexibly, and profitably within your operation? PCG is the leader in creating sustainable manufacturing operations by consistently and predictably delivering on the promise of advanced manufacturing execution systems technologies. We lead in comprehensive Industry 4.0 transformation that improves manufacturing operations to be best-in-class through advanced solutions, expertise, skill, and proven resources that lead at every step. To learn more about how your business can overcome current and future challenges through leading-edge best-in-class processes, automation, IoT, analytics, mobility, security, and compliance, please call PCG at 800-265-1230 or email info@pcgservices.com.